Hello everyone, welcome back to Broken the Air Travel. I'm here at Potrero Grill at San Francisco International Airport. I just got off work here. It is roughly, what is it? I'm gonna look at my watch here. 6:50 in the morning. I got off work about 20 minutes ago. Now the trains aren't running yet. I'm gonna wait for them to wake up. So I figured today I will have some breakfast. And I have had Potrero Grill's pancakes once before. They were delicious. And for being plain pancakes, these are, let me start off by saying plain pancakes are not my favorite. But these plain pancakes at Potrero Grill, as for Potrero Grill in San Francisco, very, very tasty, very good. I really can't complain. They also give you syrup. The only thing I could complain about, if I had to, would be wooden flatware. Oh my goodness. My god, yeah. Yes, very, very good, very tasty. I figured out there was a hint in his seasoning in the batter of nutmeg and cinnamon. Those make everything worth it. Especially as we inch closer to the holidays. Inching closer to the holidays makes everything more cinnamony. But easily, I give Potrero Grill's pancakes a good 7.5 to 8. Yeah, I'll go 7.5 out of 10. Yeah, very good overall. Must recommend. Not fabulous, but very good. See you in there. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And hit the bell icon.